Back guys, Matt Does Outdoors. New year, new video, you know how it is. Alright, so today's video, as you can tell by the title, it's a stealth camp. Object of the game is to not be seen. I'm going to camp up on this headland up here. Sun is setting, fairly handy. Probably got about another 45 minutes to an hour of sunlight left, which is all part of the fun. You don't set a stealth camp up in the middle of the day, get it done just by sunset to eliminate the chance of being seen. Beautiful coastal little area I'm in here called Laxey. It's freezing cold today. Lots of ice on the ground, snow on the mountains, so I couldn't go up there, the roads are closed. I don't know if you can see the snow on the hills. Stand by for a future wild camp up there, Snaefell. It's going to be a good one. Here we are, Laxey, looking beautiful. That's the reason you have to be stealthy. People on the trail. Right, finally in situ. Sun is setting behind me. Camera never really does it justice, does it? The old sunset. Nothing like the old Mark 1 eyeball. Anyway, do the best we can with the cameras we've got. So, found my spot. You beauty. Nice bit of flat ground. Already checked it, it's pretty dry. Right, what equipment we're going to use tonight? British Military or Army, however you want to say. Goretex Bivvy bag. I've got OEX 4-season sleeping bag. I've got the keep me warm because it's Baltic. It's due to be about -2, -3 tonight. It has snowed in the last 24 hours, just not here, further up in the hills. I've got my Thermarest Ridge Rest roll mat. I've got my Thermarest Neo Air sleeper mat, so I'm not going to get cold through the ground, which is decent. Nobody wants to get cold. And yeah, I have brought a tarp, but to be honest, check the forecast. It's not going to snow, it's not going to rain. Due to have clear skies, so that should be half decent. This is a decent little spot. There is a footpath way over there, but it's January the 2nd. It's getting dark. I don't think many people are going to venture this way. All the people, whoa, probably on that beach down there, Laxey Beach. Beautiful beach if you're ever on the Isle of Man, by the way. Right then. Should we see what's in my bag? Right, ignore the order this is coming out in. I packed in a rush. Right, off the bat, Thermarest Ridge Rest pad. British Army bivvy with a camo net. Jetboil. Percolator. This obviously is not a lightweight trip, obviously. Fuel hand kerosene or paraffin lantern. Cheers to Cheshire Wanderer for suggesting those, by the way. Gooch. Trangia 27.1. Neo Air, just in an Osprey dry bag. Various food. OEX Bush Pro tarp. I'm not going to use the tarp tonight. Just a titanium frying pan. OEX Fathom EV400, as you can see on the screen there. Comfort at -1, limit at -8. Should be good tonight, I reckon. Tonight's seat, multi-mat. Down jacket, thermals. Tesco protein bar, pretty good actually. Various camera gear. I'm not going to go into camera gear. I can do maybe in another video. If you're interested in that, just let me know. Description below. Right then, let's get cracking. Thermarest. I got the Bivvy, OEX EV400, new air, and the thermal ridge rest, so I'm not going to get cold from the bottom. The wind direction is that way, so blowing offshore, so I'm not going to get an onshore breeze, not tonight anyway, maybe in the morning. And should I want to go a little bit more stealthy, I've had a shocker. Fuck, I forgot to put wick in it. Nightmare. Right, I'll have to go back to the old Eurohike special. This will be retired for the evening. Bollocks. Still, can't complain at that view. Oh, the beach hammock wild camp, by the way, was right over there. You'll be able to see that in this light, but right over there. I'll link it up. I'll link it up here. Now, how much cooking I film, I don't know. I mean, I don't particularly enjoy watching people cook. I don't know, so I'll see. All right, first things first. Got some bacon, shop local bacon. Back on the Wayfarers. Got a chicken curry. You can imagine there's fucking zero spice to that. And then after, sticky toffee pudding. I mean, these are they're the bollocks. Brought some bread, just to have a bacon sarnie with really. So I think what I'll do now is get a coffee going and maybe get something to eat before it gets dark. All right, roger that, let's do it. Trangia. Can only just see the flame there, but she is burning. Cook a bit of bacon on there. Haven't brought any oil, this should be greasy enough. Kitchen with a view. Anyone interested, these are just life systems, storm matches. You can get them on any millets, go outdoors or whatever. You beauty. Mega. Time is 4:10. Right, let's get a bimble over there and get that coffee on board. Say it in every video. I don't do anything uncaffeinated. Found my spot. Pod stand, percolator. I don't need this, I've just brought it to drink it out of because I haven't got a cup. Cheers. Camp. Where's the camp? To be fair, from the pier I didn't know where my own camp was. I couldn't see it, so I think we're pretty good. We are losing light, but I think what I'll do now is send up this little bad boy and just see what everything looks like from the air. Obviously, before anyone bashes me, some keyboard warrior, flying a drone is not stealthy. They're loud as hell, but realistically, I'm stealthy enough right now. Just gonna have a little blast with the drone, see where we're at. Right, over to the drone bar. As suspected, can't see a thing with the drone, which is pretty true to life actually. Obviously this night lens here looks good, but the drone doesn't have that ISO range, so yeah, pretty well stealthily hidden right now. Quite enjoying it. A few little bits I've got for later. Some socks. I've got my, in that bag somewhere, I've got my thermals, just Peter Storm ones, nothing Gucci, and I've got gloves and balaclava. I'm struggling to find my beanie. I remember packing it, but it's in there somewhere. The old night searcher head torch is doing the job nicely. I've turned it off for the sake of the video, so. Right, I'm going to smash that sticky toffee pudding. I'm not going to film it. At the end of the day, it's you've seen me do plenty of them. This is how dark it looks to the naked eye. Yeah, so that's how much it looks really, versus the camera making adjustments. Okay, you're going to set a GoPro Star Lapse up. For anyone interested, power bank, cable, GoPro, stick the power bank in the dry bag, rig it up. I'll put the settings on the screen now, and hopefully we get something. These are going to keep you warm in the night, hopefully, if I need it. And the hillside, all in, sleeping bag, you can see that, all in, good to go. Found my beanie, which was decent. Temperature has dropped, hence the neckerchief. Got additional layers. Put my thermals on now. I've got another down jacket should I need it. Feet Took my socks off, dried my feet, put new socks on. Unless something eventful happens in the night, I'll hopefully get a decent star lap, so I'll bang that up now as I go, and try and capture a sunset if my batteries last that long. Right, thanks for watching this far. Haven't already, hit the subscribe button. See you in the morning. Good morning. The time is 7:40. The sun is on its way up. Slept well last night. Slept indeed. It got cold. Bloody hell, it got cold. All around me the grass is frozen. Camo net's frozen with the Pier hand lantern on, and the little Euro hike light, all that's frozen. GoPro, the dry bag I put the battery power bank in is frozen. So yeah, I think it definitely got down to, I just checked the weather, it said -2, -3. So it's well below zero. I was lovely and warm, got multiple down jackets on. Put this on to cover my face. Pulled this up as well. Well insulated through the ground. In fact, yeah, you can see there's no ice around where my bivvy was. The bivvy performed well. Didn't rain. Up until about midnight, the stars were like were out. Then it went a bit cloudy, and then they've just kind of disappeared again, the cloud. So it was a good one. Just in case anyone thinks this is a bit sketchy, camping on a cliff edge, it's really flat ground here. Pretty sheltered spot. It's in a cove, and the wind was going the other direction. There really wasn't any wind last night, so it was decent. Right, gotta get up, get sorted. Well, hope you people of the YouTube have enjoyed this one. I have. I'm going to pack up now and Foxtrot Oscar. So thanks for watching if you've managed to get this far. And remember, always leave no trace. In a bit.